Are you looking at sit-up bars? Sit-up bars are essential tools for fitness enthusiasts looking to improve their core strength and overall fitness. They provide stability and support during sit-ups, crunches, and other abdominal exercises, making workouts more effective and comfortable. To help consumers make an informed decision, we tested and compared 5 popular sit-up bars across various price points, ranging from budget-friendly to premium models. List 1. Cap Barbell Doorway Sit-Up Bar. The Cap Barbell Doorway Sit-Up Bar is the most affordable option in this comparison, priced at just $11.89. Designed for portability and convenience, it features foam-covered bars for comfort and traction. The adjustable mechanism allows it to fit securely under most closed doors, making it a compact solution for home workouts. Its lightweight alloy steel construction ensures durability despite its budget-friendly price point. In terms of performance, the CAP Barbell Doorway Sit-Up Bar is ideal for beginners or those with limited space. It is easy to install and provides adequate support for basic sit-ups. However, its lightweight design may not offer the stability required for more advanced exercises. Additionally, some users reported issues with durability over time. While it is a great entry-level product, it may not meet the needs of more experienced fitness enthusiasts. List 2. Perfect Fitness Crunch. The Perfect Fitness Crunch and Sit-Up Training Assistant is the premium option in this lineup, priced at $43.99. This multifunctional device is designed for comfort and versatility, enabling users to perform crunches, push-ups, dips, and other bodyweight exercises. The ergonomic design reduces strain on the head and neck, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. Performance-wise, this model stands out for its versatility and build quality. The sturdy construction and padded bars ensure comfort during extended workouts. However, its larger size and heavier weight, 5.51 pounds, make it less portable compared to other models. Additionally, the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, this is an excellent choice for those seeking a comprehensive workout assistant. List number: Sit-Up Bar Floor. The Tarfepa Sit-Up Bar Floor offers a mid-range option at $26.99. It features upgraded double suction cups for enhanced stability and safety stickers for use on wooden floors without damage. The ergonomic design includes high-density foam padding for comfort and injury prevention, while the adjustable height makes it versatile for various exercises, including push-ups, planks, and yoga. During testing, the Tarfepa model impressed with its stability and ease of use. The suction cups provide a secure grip on smooth surfaces, although it struggles on uneven or textured floors. The foam padding is comfortable but may wear out over time. Its versatility makes it suitable for users looking for a multifunctional device, though it requires careful setup to ensure proper suction. List number: Viking Strength Sit-Up Assisted Device, priced at $27.99. The Viking Strength Sit-Up Assistant Device combines strong stainless steel construction with foam padding for comfort. It is designed for ab-focused workouts, offering versatility for sit-ups, crunches, and other core exercises. The adjustable padded ankle bar ensures a secure fit for users of different sizes, and its compact design makes it suitable for home or travel use. The Viking Strength device delivers excellent performance for core workouts, thanks to its durable build and comfortable padding. However, its reliance on a doorway setup may limit its usability in certain spaces. The lifetime guarantee adds value, showcasing the brand's confidence in the product. While it is slightly pricier than similar models, its quality and versatility make it a solid choice for dedicated fitness enthusiasts. List number: Squats Abs Master Ultimate Sit-Up Machine Foot Holder with Double Suction Sit-Up Bar Assistance for Ab Workouts. The Squats Abs Master is a versatile sit-up bar priced at $19.99. It boasts a high weight capacity of 661 pounds and features a double suction cup design for stability. The foam padding ensures comfort during workouts, while the adjustable foot holder accommodates users of different sizes. Its compact size makes it easy to set up and store. Despite its promising features, the Squats Abs Master has mixed reviews regarding its suction performance on certain surfaces. While it excels on clean, flat floors, it may struggle on textured or uneven surfaces. The foam padding is comfortable, but less durable than higher-end models. Overall, it's a good mid-range option for casual users, but it may not meet the demands of advanced fitness enthusiasts.